Data centers are expected to be clean environments, clear of dust and debris for proper equipment performance. But this is not always the case for every computing environment. Sometimes you need your equipment in a dirty, high-traffic, industrial environment such as remote manufacturing facilities, warehouses, and more. This is where we come in. Introducing the EdgeRack Industrial 8M, engineered to excel in environments where other cabinets fail. This ruggedly constructed microdatacenter cabinet was designed and tested to meet IP55 and NEMA 12 protection ratings, making it our toughest edge computing solution available. The 8M is the only 42U microdatacenter cabinet on the market with a self-contained, side-mounted cooling unit offering up to 8 kilowatts of cooling capacity. This integrated, highly efficient cooling unit is equipped with a 4.3-inch display for quick user interface and system monitoring. The built-in condensate water processing device eliminates the need to attach water drainage pipes, enabling fast and easy deployment. The EdgeRack quality and utility are unmatched when it comes to edge computing. The top panel has a ventilated opening for hot exhaust air to be expelled into the ambient environment. A top-mounted plenum and flexible air duct are also available for easy connection into an HVAC return. An optional electromagnetic lock with keypad for the front door secures your IT equipment and enhances security. During the event of a temperature spike or power outage, this lock automatically disengages to allow for extra ventilation and access to the cabinet. Multiple sensors are mounted throughout the cabinet to monitor temperature, humidity, smoke, and water leakage. These sensors help ensure the safety of your equipment as well as the surrounding areas. The side panels on the left and right of the cabinet allow for easy maintenance. By removing these panels, the user can access the cooling unit and its hot swappable modular fans. The cabinet is also equipped with 3 vertical cable management bars for secure cable organization. Check out the all-new EdgeRack Industrial 8M microdatacenter cabinet. It's your rugged, on-site data center solution. We are EnConneX, born to innovate.